All right, so now we are going to be doing the Paratext vocabulary practice. I'm going to go ahead and review with you guys what we are going to be doing for this one, okay? So the directions below are titles and summaries for imaginary books. Choose the best title for each book. Briefly explain your choice. There is one title you will not use. So our options are Stabilize for A, B is Our Habitat, C is The Primatologist, and D is Human Malnutrition. So I want you guys to take about a minute or so, kind of see, or about 2 or 3 minutes. You guys are going to be trying to work on this on your own, and then we are going to review it as a group. Okay, so go ahead and do this, and I'm gonna walk around and then kind of, if anyone needs any support, I'm kind of like here to support you guys. All right, so I want you guys to really pay attention to what the question is asking you, and then why are you choosing that art? Why are you choosing the title for that book? For numbers 1 through 3. And then for the next section, you're going to choose the word that is most similar in meaning to each word in bold. So for number 4, you have dispatch. What is similar to dispatch? Number 5 is voracious. What is similar to voracious? Number 6 is stabilize. What is similar to stabilize? And number 7 is malnutrition. What is similar to malnutrition? And then for the last section, you guys are going to choose the best answer to each question below for numbers 8 through 10. So I'm going to give you guys about a minute or so to kind of like try to do it on your own. And then we are going to review as a whole class. All right. And you guys are doing a really, really good job. So I want you to kind of do this. Good job. All right. So, what did we get for number 1? Give me 1 second, guys. Let me pull up this document. All right, good job. So we said that number 1 was B, and why was it B? Because a habitat is the environment that an animal naturally calls home. Good job. Yes, so why did you choose D? Yes, because malnutrition is an unhealthy condition that results from not eating properly. And then the for that last section, why did you choose C? Good job, because the researcher in this book studies gorillas. All right, so as you guys are participating and answering these questions, I want you to follow those 4 expectations. Raise your hand if you know what the answer is, and then we will go ahead and move on. All right, so then number 4, you have, what did you, so if we're talking about dispatch, what is another way saying to dispatch someone? Yeah, so you're gonna send like police officers, ambulance out, right? Good job. So number 5, voracious. What's another way of saying that we are voracious? Yes, so we would say A, very hungry. And then number 6, all right, so we're talking about stabilize. So stabilize is to, yes, good job, make steady. And then the last one that section for number 7 is malnutrition. What's another way of saying we are malnourished? Yeah, so you're starving, you're very hungry, and you're not getting the proper nutrients, right? Because we need the proper nutrients to be able to develop and grow. Good job. All right, and then the last sections, we have the directions. Choose the best answer to each question below. Which is part of a forest ecosystem? Is it A, painting of the forest, or B, flowers that grow in the forest? Yes, B, flowers that grow in the forest. The number 9, yes. Go ahead and read that question for us. Okay, and what did you have for that answer? Yes, A, how chimpanzees socialize, for number 9. And then your number 10, a country that bans deforestation is what? What's number 10, guys? B, wants to prevent its forests from being cut down. All right, good job. So, now, I'm going to give you guys an exit ticket, which is your quiz. I want you guys to answer each question, and then looking at that text evidence. And then tomorrow we are going to extend the lesson and do text structure. Does anyone have any questions for Ms. Rauch so far? No. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and collect your vocabulary worksheet. You guys did an amazing job. So now I'm going to go ahead and pass out your quiz, which is your exit ticket. And again, tomorrow we are extending this lesson talking about the text structure and text evidence, looking at how are we analyzing analyzing our article. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to extend this activity. So now I'm going to go ahead and collect your vocabulary worksheet, and then also give you that exit ticket for that quiz, and you guys are going to answer questions about the orangutan. All right. Thank you guys all for allowing me to teach here today. You guys did an amazing job. You followed SOAR expectations. Thank you for just giving me the opportunity to be here with you today.